Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video that is on Operation KPI, which is FCR. Before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming video. Also check out the playlist, you will find multiple videos on quality analysts, trainers, team leaders, WFM, MS Excel dashboards, reports. Approximately 180 plus videos are there that will help you in cracking the interviews. Let's start today's concept, that is on FCR. So FCR, which stands for First Contact Resolution. So let's see in detail. So basically, whenever we get a call from the customer side, and if a customer care representative giving the solution in one go without keeping the call on hold, or else it's okay to keep in call on hold, like everything is getting sorted over the first call itself, rather than the customer need to do follow up on the queries, he need to or she need to send the email, or again that particular person need to do call back. Avoiding all those situations, if the customer is getting the solution at a first instance, then it is known as the first contact resolution. So you can see the definition here: solving the issue in first call itself rather than asking customer to take or make a call back. Successful FCR would mean that there is no follow-up necessary. This will improve the customer satisfaction and meeting the customer expectations. Now, the formula is quite easy. Total number of calls, those were resolved by the customer care representative on the first contact itself, divided by total number of call answered into 100. We will get the first contact resolution numbers, like how many we have done, and we have given the resolution at the first instance itself. Now, how we can improve the FCR? So this type of questions we may receive in our interviews, like how you can improve the FCR. First of all, the proper training need to be provided to all your employees so that they can be good with their knowledge and their skills are up to date. Having side by side audit, I would suggest the team leader, SME, quality or trainer need to do side by side audits for the employees who are taking long hold, or else who are giving partial information to the customer, or when the customer is not getting the proper answers. This will impact the CSAT also. And subject matter support on live calls, the support system should be active, wherein without transferring the call or keeping on hold, they will get the resolution with the help of the support staff. Following guidelines properly so that the solution will be receiving on the spot. Troubleshooting steps if needed, wherein customer no need to do callback, and basic troubleshooting may solve many issues. A good communication skills matters a lot. So these are the main thing we can follow whenever we want to improve the FCR. This is all about the FCR, first contact resolution. This is an operational KPI, guys, and for sure we will get such kind of questions in our interviews. Also check out our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook page. You will find most of the information on the videos as well as the upcoming vacancies all over the India or else the other locations. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.